we're going to place the tank level sensor in there. Maybe I can do it this way. I could hit the hole. There we go. And then over on here, we're going to go into our settings and see that the tank level is connected as a Bluetooth keyboard, so that means that it's running. If you look at the format there, this is a message from tank level for log node. Distances are 338, 349, and 365. So the smallest number of the 50 numbers that were measured is 338. The largest number was 365, but the average is 349. So that's pretty much how that works. Whenever you want to see what's in the tank, you connect to the Bluetooth. If you don't have the battery connected all the time, you connect to the battery. Wait about 2 minutes after you've connected to your Bluetooth keyboard, and it'll give you this text string. And that's pretty much it. So that new update says that 325 was the minimum, 353 was the maximum, and 336 was the average. It's a little less accurate. The reason that I do it this way is because then I can go somewhere else and take a look at Telegram and see what the values are. I'm just going to walk into the house and show that it is displaying inside the house. Here we are looking at the last message, 325 to 353 with an average of 336. So that's how it works when everything works, and I have to add some troubleshooting. I have to create some kits and just make it generally easier for everybody to use. I guess an inch and a half or so is too short, so it's giving me 0 as a distance. 0 room left is reasonable. And that's it.